Hello everyone, I'm Amber Miller and I wanted to share with you a resource that I found from module number 2. It was put in our strategies notebook. It's the resource we could choose from: phonemic awareness, early decoding, advanced decoding, or fluency. And I found this website and I loved the game, Blending Letters. And she talks about the primary students can work together to form words. Says you will have made laminated cards with at least 3 of each letter and 6 of more common letters and vowels. Hole punch them and put string through them so that students can wear them around their necks. And then you allow small groups to come together to make words to show the rest of the class by organizing themselves in order so they become a human word per se. I thought this would be a really good idea that got them up out of their seat and moving. And you could even have for the younger elementary students, like maybe kindergarten, when they're first, learning to blend words together, you could even have the group, you could even put, CAT, and have that group of students stand up in the order that you put them in and have the class guess the word. I mean, you could make it as simple or as complicated as you want. And they explained how to do a more complicated version on here. And that's something that I would be interested in. But I wanted to just sort of stick with a simple version to teach you about. Also, I love the idea right here you see. I'm going to put my cursor on it. Reading log. It says, ask students to keep a reading log of how they solved problems in decoding while reading. Have the students write down precisely where they encountered the problem. They should record the strategy that they used to approach the word and how it worked. Examine these logs and help students think about which strategies were most successful. I love this idea, especially with your older elementary students, maybe second grade or older. And you might could do a fill-in-the-blank version to help students where they didn't have to write as much on a log for your younger students. But I love the idea of each student finding what strategies work well and when. That's a really good idea. I chose phonemic awareness and blending type activities because it's really the foundation. It's very early skills. And if students struggle in the early skills, they're definitely going to struggle as they begin decoding bigger words, or CVC words, or VCE words, or consonant LE words, and so forth. So that's why I chose phonemic awareness. It's an area that I guess is near and dear to my heart. That's all that I wanted to share with you for now. Thank you for taking the time to view my video.